Have you noticed this option right here that says create? In a lot of videos in the YouTube app, you'll have this option that's called create. So I wanted to make this video to show you exactly how to use this option and what it does. So basically, as you're watching a video, you could take a little bit of that audio and create a YouTube short that uses that audio. So what I mean is, right here at the 3 minute and 41 second of my own video here, if I press play and if I listen to what I'm saying, I have it on mute right now. From this point forward for about 15 to 30 seconds, if I press create right here, and I'm gonna keep current selection, it's basically playing that portion of the video as audio as soon as I start recording. So if I record my reaction, maybe I'm just looking and reacting to this audio, you could see it's creating that little clip using this audio here. And it's available on many videos, and it's creating a YouTube short now using that other video's audio. Then I could go ahead and record another clip here too as well. So as long as you have this, I believe this is 30 seconds here in length. And then you could go ahead and press the check mark here and it'll bring you to this page. And it's just playing back that same video. I could make any adjustments here to the timeline so I could see the audio and the video that I created with it. Again, I'm just recording my desk, but it could be your reaction to that audio. You could go ahead and add filters to it. This is YouTube Shorts here, so it's the same stuff that happens on YouTube Shorts. If you do want a full tutorial on YouTube Shorts, watch my video on that link below. When you're happy, press next, and it's gonna take it to the next page where you could post your YouTube short to your channel. This will be your caption or your title for the short, and visibility is set to public, and this is not made for kids. So you have to set this for any YouTube short, and then you could upload. This is really useful because it gives you a great and easy way to create content by reacting to existing content on YouTube. So you're using the long form YouTube to react to shorter portion of that video and posting it directly to your channel on Shorts. I hope you found this quick video useful. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.